BARVENT IMPEX is a group of companies of leading manufacturers and suppliers of a wide range of products in the market of Uzbekistan, founded in 1993. In a relatively short period of time, thanks to a clearly defined business strategy, BARVENT IMPEX has become one of the leading manufacturers and suppliers in the market of Uzbekistan. For 30 years of work, the company has gained more than 1,000 loyal customers and produced more than 200 types of products. The total area of the company is 70,000 square meters, of which 30,000 square meters is the production area. The number of employees is more than 400 people. The group of companies includes several divisions: BIGPROM SERVIS, INSTROYTORG, Real Trade Group, BIGPROM IMPEX. Since 2005, BIGPROM SERVIS has been producing personal respiratory protection equipment, respirators, masks, petals, as well as non-woven clothing for operating units. Currently, production workshops are located in the following cities: Tashkent, Almalık, Navai and Haturchi district. The production volume reaches more than 5 million masks per year. The company employs over 200 people. Today, BIGPROM Service is one of the largest manufacturers of personal protective equipment in Uzbekistan. In 2011, BIGPROM Service equipped a greenhouse with an area of 1.5 hectares using Korean hydroponics technology. In 2007, INSTROYTORG division launched production of kraft bags and corrugated boxes. Currently, the production capacity allows us to produce 7 million kraft bags and 5 million corrugated boxes per year. The company Real Trade Group is engaged in import and wholesale of chemical reagent and rubber products. We closely cooperate with the largest enterprises of Uzbekistan, such as Navai Azot, Navai Mining and Metallurgical Combine, Almalık Mining and Metallurgical Combine, GM Uzbekistan, Maksam Cherchik, Uzbekneftgaz, Kızılkum Cement. We respect and appreciate our customers, and we always follow the main principle: profit is above everything, but honor is above profit.